Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friends. You are watching Scholarship Network Guide official YouTube channel. Today with another informative video, Heilongjiang Provincial Government Scholarship, Northeast Agriculture University, China. Dear friends, as you know, the admissions are open in Northeast Agriculture University, Harbin, China. I am Dr. Asmat Salim, PhD scholar in Northeast Agriculture University, Harbin, China, under the Chinese government scholarship. I record this video is to share my experience, how I win the scholarship, and definitely I will help you, those students who wants to apply for this scholarship. Mostly, there are two types of scholarships. First one is Chinese government scholarship. Make a video for you, and today Heilongjiang Provincial Government Scholarship. Heilongjiang Provincial Government Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. There is no online university portal for international students. You must need to send the hard copies to the University International Office. Let's go to university website for the further information. Official website of Northeast Agriculture University, School of International Education. So, all information are same as Chinese government scholarship. Now here you can find, if you want to apply as Heilongjiang Provincial Government Scholarship, you can download form for the Heilongjiang Provincial Government Scholarship. Your eligibility: applicant must be non-Chinese citizen, must be physically fit, good academic record, should be a good educational background, and age limit should be. Applicant for the master degree must have a bachelor degree and under the age of 35 years. And the applicant for the doctoral degree studies must have a master degree and under the age of 40. And you must have a good academic record and you must have ability of good research. Here what document need to submit? If you are applying for the master degree, the bachelor degree transcript and degree, and both should be notarized. And if you are applying for the doctoral program, you must need to submit undergraduate and master degree transcript and degree must be notarized. You must need to submit a research plan in Chinese or English, not less than 800 words. You must need to submit 2 letter of recommendation in Chinese or English by the professor or associated professor. If you have published paper, your chances will be high, but it's not mandatory for this scholarship. A copies of HSK certificate, it's not mandatory. Chances of admission will be high. And copy of the passport, 6 2-inch ID photos with the white background. Foreign physical examination must be filled in English. And this form should be valid for the 6 months. Acceptance letter here is not mandatory, but if you have the acceptance letter, then your chances will be high. Here the last date is also 31st March 2021, and there is no application fees. Duration for the master degree students: 3 years your major study and 1 year is your language course. And the doctoral students, 3 year study and 1 year language course. If you have a valid HSK certificate, it's good for you. You don't need to 1 year Chinese language course. Detail of the scholarship is also a fully funded scholarship. the registration fees, tuition fees, and fees for the accommodation on the campus, comprehensive medical insurance, and monthly living allowance. For the master student, 3000 RMBs, and for the PhD student, 3500. Now you can here find the subjects where you want to apply, and your major is under this scholarship. You can apply here. You can download the form, this link, how we can fill this form for the Heilongjiang government scholarship. This is a form for the Heilongjiang provincial government scholarship for the international students. I will also give you link of this form in description. Fill this form in Chinese or English. Here is your family name, and here is your given name, nationality. What is your nationality, male or female? And here is your date of birth, religion, and here you must have to put your passport number and validity of your passport. What's your marriage status? Are you single or married? You must mention the number of kids and strong point and interest. Here you can read here where you want to apply, and you must fill your home address for the undergraduate program or a master degree program, PhD program or exchange program. This scholarship mostly is for master and PhD program. So you can here select either you are applying for master or for PhD program. Name of your college you want to study, just like College of Veterinary Medicine, Horticulture, etc., etc. Applying for specialty in this college where you want to apply. Duration, what will be your duration? As I mentioned earlier that for the master students, 3 year your major study and 1 year is your language course. So 2021 is month, 2025 and month also will be here September. What's your HSK level? And here is English level, high school or higher. If you are applying for the master degree, you must mention here bachelor degree and what was your major and what was your session and certificate, or if you have a degree or a transcript you mention here. And if you are applying for the PhD, you must have to mention here your bachelor degree as well as your master degree. Working experience, if you have any working experience, you can mention here where, in which school, in which university you are doing work, and what was your duration, and work engaged, what type of work you engaged, and what was your post or title. Information in emergency, then international office will contact with this person. You must put your brother, sister, mother or father name here, his telephone number and email ID. Here the declaration is very important. I here affirm that all the information in the form is true and correct, and the admission qualification will be cancelled. If they found any wrong information, they can disqualify. And I shall obey the laws and rules in the China and regulation of you must need to signature date, and that's it. This is all about Kalonjian. You can ask for watching. Thanks for watching this video. And after completion of this, you must need to submit all your required documents and must need to send the hard copies to the international office. You can send on this address and postal code is here, and that's it. It's all about Kalonjian Provincial Government Scholarship. If you have any question, you can ask me in inbox and definitely I will answer your questions. And if this video is informative for you, please like, subscribe and on the bell icon for the upcoming videos about the scholarship. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.